Navigating through the modes of a Cisco device is like exploring an intricate mansion, each area offering different levels of access and control. Let's take a walk through this grand estate. User mode. The front hallway. When you first step inside a Cisco device, you find yourself in user mode. Picture it as standing in the entry hall of the mansion. From here, you can look around, observe the surroundings, but you don't have the keys to any rooms. It's a place for basic exploration. No changes can be made. Enable mode. Unlocking the door to the main wing. To gain more authority, you enter enable mode. It's like unlocking a door that leads deeper into the mansion. Now you're in a more private corridor where you have greater control over your environment, but you're not quite in the heart of the estate yet. Global configuration mode. The mansion's control room. From enable mode, you unlock yet another door, stepping into global configuration mode. This is the mansion's control center, the central hub where you can influence the entire system. Here, you can walk down various hallways and open multiple doors, gaining access to rooms where critical system-wide decisions are made. Interface configuration mode. The windows to the world. One of these rooms leads to interface configuration mode. Imagine this room filled with windows, each representing a network interface. From here, you control how the mansion communicates with the outside world, whether it's letting in light or sealing off certain views, configuring network connections. Line console mode. Securing the front door. Another important room is line console mode, where you manage who can enter the house through the front door of the console. This is where you set passwords and other security measures, ensuring that only trusted guests have physical access to the mansion's interior. Line VTY mode. The remote access chamber. Finally, you enter line VTY mode, a room dedicated to overseeing remote access. It's like managing who can enter your estate virtually, whether through Telnet or SSH. You set the rules for remote guests, controlling who can visit the mansion without physically being there. By picturing the Cisco device as a mansion with corridors and rooms, each mode becomes a key to unlocking different parts of the estate, offering both control and security over your network environment. First, let's explain the access hierarchy in the device. When you initially connect to the switch, you enter user mode. At the prompt, you can orient yourself in which mode you are currently in. Let's see how this works in practice. Moving from user to enable mode, using the command enable. Next, moving from enable to global configuration mode, using the command configure terminal. Now, moving from global configuration mode to interface configuration mode, using the command interface fast ethernet 0/1. Type exit to go back in global configuration mode. Entering line console configuration mode, using the command line console 0. Type exit to go back in global configuration mode. Entering line VTY configuration mode, using the command line VTY 015. In each mode of a Cisco device, you can easily find the available commands by pressing the question mark. This is a helpful tool that provides a list of valid commands for the current mode you're in. In user mode, typing question mark will show you basic commands, like viewing device status or configuration details. In privileged enabled mode, pressing question mark gives you access to more advanced commands, including those for viewing logs and starting configuration. In global configuration mode, using question mark will display commands for making system-wide changes, like configuring interfaces, routing, or security settings. In interface configuration mode or other sub-configuration modes, pressing question mark will list the commands specific to configuring the chosen interface or component. This command assistance feature works in all modes, helping you understand what commands are available and how to complete them. In the next video, I'll be explaining how to secure the different modes on a Cisco device using passwords. This will help us implement proper access control, ensuring that only authorized users can access or configure the device. Stay tuned to learn how to protect user mode, privileged enable mode, as well as the console and VTY lines with password security.